Think winning 100% with Bitcoin is impossible? Think again. Alright, let's dive in. Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrencies, and while there's no magic formula for guaranteed wins, there are smart strategies to increase your chances of success. First, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and the risks involved. Don't just jump in because of hype. Next, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Third, stay updated. The crypto world moves fast. Follow reputable news sources and stay informed about market trends. Fourth, think long-term. Bitcoin's value can be volatile in the short term, but historically it's shown growth over time. Patience can be your best ally. Lastly, never invest money you can't afford to lose. It's crucial to be financially responsible. So, can you win 100% with Bitcoin? Maybe not in the literal sense, but with the right approach, you can certainly stack the odds in your favor. Hit that subscribe button for more smart crypto tips and join our community of savvy investors. Let's win together.